How to delete Instagram block list without unblock. If you ever wish to delete Instagram block list without unblocking, this video is for you. Launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. On Settings and Activity page, scroll a bit down, select Blocked. As we can see, there is no particular button or tool to delete Instagram block list without unblocking, but there is an alternative way to do so. Take a screenshot of this blocked account list. Come back to the Settings and Privacy page by the help of the arrow at top left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom, tap Help. Now report the problem and report problem without checking. Tap Include and Continue and briefly explain what happened or what's not working. Once you have written your issue, tap Upload and upload the screenshot you taken previously. Now tap on the Send button at top right corner of the screen and your problem has been reported to Instagram. After a few hours, 24 hours or 48 hours, Instagram will respond to your issue and your issue will be resolved by Instagram. That's how we delete Instagram block list without unblock. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.